This is gonna blow your mind. The real reason the chicken crossed the road? Trust me, it's not what you think. So picture this. A chicken strutting along, minding her own business when she spots a sign on the other side of the road. It reads, "Free Wi-Fi and corn." She thinks, finally I can update my status, living my best life. But as she crosses, a squirrel shouts, "Why are you really crossing, chicken?" And the chicken winks and says, "To escape the endless jokes, obviously." So next time someone asks you why the chicken crossed the road, just tell them, she was tired of being the punchline.